and supporting manager, Sister Vinita, along with all my dedicated teachers and parents. And today's guest of honor is our lovely children. Every child is special in a special way, and so are you. You are the reason for all our smiles and all our happiness. A very happy Children's Day. May you have fulfilled life. Good morning everyone on this pleasant morning. I, Pradnya Miss, welcome you all to the virtual celebration of Children's Day program of our Stella Maris School. You know why this day is so special? Yes, today is Children's Day, that is Tata Nehru's birthday, as we are celebrating a Children's Day. So we have brought some entertaining program for you. Are you all ready? So say with me, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, and a prayer that never loses faith in God. Let's welcome our Stella teacher for their prayer song.
हे परमपिता परमेश्वर, आज इस कोरोना के भयावह समय में जब हम अपने बच्चों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए उनको इस विद्यालय से और हमसे दूर रखे हैं, इसमें हम आपसे यही विनती करते हैं प्रभु, आप आज और आने वाले कल में भी जब हम एकत्रित आए तो हमारे बच्चों को अपनी असीम कृपा की छाया में ले और इस भयावह महामारी से उनको बचाएं। प्रभु, हम हमारे बच्चों को आपको समर्पित करते हैं और आपसे यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप हमारी यह पुकार सुन लें, आप हमारी यह पुकार सुन लें।
Thank you, teachers. Children, they are God's best creation. They spread happiness and joy in our life. Now it's our turn to return some joy, some happiness to them. And so I would like to call Sachin sir to spread love and happiness with his melodious song.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to celebrate the Children's Day. So, wish you a happy Children's Day to all of you. देखो इन्हीं ये है ओस की बूंदे पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीन पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे हो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीन पर। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशियों की नहर है हो न जाए के सीने में ये तो झिलमिल किसी लौ से उगे हैं। ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले। जैसे कांच के चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके है पवन के, है ये घुंघरू जीवन के, ये तो सुर है चमन के, हो न जाए तारे जमीन पर। मोहल्ले की रौनक गलियां है जैसे, खिलने की जिद पर गलियां है जैसे, मुट्ठी में मौसम के जैसे हवाएं। ये तो बुजुर्गों के दिल की दुआएं, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर, तारे ज़मीं पर।
आज हम बड़ा खुश है मैडम।
क्यों भाई, क्या हो गया?
अरे व्हाट्सअप सिस्टर, व्हाट्सअप।
अरे ये क्या है?
ये आपका बड़ा इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम है, आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती।
मेरा इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम है? मेरा?
कल ही तो मैंने कहा था।
क्या कहा था तुमने?
कहा था मैंने, मैच जिंदा चालू है, जिंदा मैच आ रही है कल।
जिंदा मैच? ये क्या होता है भाई, जिंदा मैच?
जिंदा, मैंने कहा था ना इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम है। जिंदा मतलब लाइव मैच यार, लाइव मैच।
हे भगवान।
Thank you, sir, for your melodious performance. Now I would like to call Sister Alfie to give a message on Children's Day.
My dear teachers, parents, and beloved children, good morning to you all. At the very outset, let me wish you all a happy Children's Day. In India, we celebrate the Children's Day on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. As you know, he was a person who loved the children very much and did everything possible for the well-being of children. Many of the privileges that you have today are the results of his dreams and visions. It is said, every child is like a flower, but two flowers are not the same. We all love flowers. Flowers make our life beautiful. When we are sad, they teach us how to be happy. When we are alone, they teach us how to give and receive company from others. When we are overburdened, they make your life lighter by removing our worries. We love them, we admire them, and without flowers, this world will be dry and boring. My dear children, you are like the flowers for us. It is you make our homes wonderful. Without you, our homes, our society, and this world will be lifeless. You are all very precious to us all. On this day, you should remember that we cannot understand the beauty of the rose flower by comparing it with other flowers. The rose flower is beautiful in its own unique way. The same way, you are all unique and special. You should never find your value by comparing yourself with others. Your value is hidden in yourself. If a garden is filled with one type of flowers, that garden doesn't look beautiful. But if it's filled with varieties of flowers, the garden will be beautiful. So, on this day, I request you, be whatever you are. Become the miracles for which you have been created for, and bloom wherever you are planted. Once again, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. May God bless you to bloom wherever you are. Thank you.
बेटा तेरा पेपर सबमिशन था ना, कहाँ है पेपर, कहाँ है?
जब से दिवाली आई है, क्या कॉपी क्या पेन, मोबाइल गेम से नींद उड़ गई, खो गई कॉपी, गुम गया पेन।
वाह वाह बच्चा, वाह वाह।
Students of yesteryears, that was brilliant. Sweet children, on this day devoted entirely to you, I want you all to know that there are no words on the earth that can describe how special you are. Moving to our next program, let me call Indu Madam to give us more information about this day.
Every child is a gift of nature. Give them their today. Give them time to play and make way for their future. The mid of November is a very special occasion for us. Every year we celebrate 14th November as Children's Day. We celebrate it because it's the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His bond and fondness with children are legendary. Celebrating his birthday as Children's Day is our way of honoring the memory and vision of Chacha Nehru. Nehru was extremely fond of kids and he was fondly called Chacha Nehru by them. Nehru's love for children was abundant. Thus, he advocated children to have fulfilled childhood. He also stood up for children's education. He believed that children are the future of our nation, hence they should be nurtured and educated well. He was also fond of rose flower. To sum it up, I extend my warmest greetings and wishes you all a happy Children's Day. Let's celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. Children, once again, happy Children's Day to you all.
Thank you, Madam, for your knowledgeable information. As we all know, our little ones are studying online nowadays. Whatever the cute naughtiness is going on, only parents are enjoying that. Now, it's time for all of us to enjoy that naughtiness, what students are doing during online classes. Here I welcome our next act, Masti Ki Online Pathshala.
मस्ती की ऑनलाइन पाठशाला। As a teacher, Pradnya Miss. As a student, Pranjali, Monali, Saba and Sangeeta.
Good morning, students. Say good morning. Good morning, students. No response at all. The students, where are you? What you are doing? Your online class is started. Come fast, everyone. Say good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Attendance time.
Student, now I am going to take your attendance. Pay attention. Okay? Roll number 1. Say roll number 1.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Roll number 2. Where is roll number 2?
Roll number 2 present, teacher.
Roll number 3.
Present, teacher.
Roll number 4. You horrible children, not giving response at all.
Teacher.
Okay, today's attendance
teacher.
completed. I will
Roll
finish
number
here
4
only.
is
Where
present.
Roll number 4. Let it be. Where were you?
Please, no, teacher.
No.
Roll number
No
4
means
is
no.
present. Your voice
No
was
means
hanging,
no means
teacher.
no. You are
Roll
present.
number no,
Okay.
no, no,
Now
no,
attend
no.
your online class.
English
Now I will take your English class. Open your English subject textbook. Which poem we are going to learn? Rain, rain, go away. Say after me.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Oh, CSI, very properly. Why you are saying like this? If you will come front of me, I will beat with this stick. Show your hand.
Bit na teacher, bit.
Teacher, you want to beat me, na? Beat teacher, beat.
From the screen, I will beat. Tuck. Very naughty bachas. So children, learn with me. Say back of me. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
How you are saying, bacha? Say rain, rain, go away. Do action with me.
Run, go away. Come again another day.
Oh God, wow, these bachas. I never saw like this class. OMG. Sorry. Oh my God. So children, today we learn poem Rain, Rain, Go Away. Now we will wind up here. Next class I will ask to you what we learn in the last class. Okay? So learn properly poem. Thank you my loving children. I love you so much. I miss you so much. You are so good children. Thank you teacher.
Miss you, teacher.
So children, really we are missing you so much. In this corona period, we are far away from each other. But really we are missing to you. Love you children. Happy Children's Day.
Students, we are really missing you. Happy Children's Day.
Keep the child in you alive always. To the child within you. A very happy Children's Day to everyone.
Wow, now that was hilarious. I hope you all enjoyed. Kids go where there is excitement. They stay where there is love. With the same excitement, let's move to our next program, that is group song.
जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे, हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार जीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है।
That was stimulating, engrossing and entertaining. A true bouquet of choicest roses for our beloved children. A program is never successful without Thanksgiving. To place our heartfelt thanks to our virtual audience, here I call upon Neelam Madam.
First happiness of a child to know that he is loved. A very pleasant good morning to everyone. First of all, wish you a very happy Children's Day. It's my privilege that I have been given an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. On behalf of Stella Maris family, I would like to thank our charming, very understanding and loving principal, Sister Alfie. Thank you, Sister. I also thank our very supportive and motivating principal, Sister Prabha. Thank you, Sister. Parents are the backbone of the institution, so I would like to thank our very cooperative parents. Next, I would like to thank our dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff. Last but not the least, honorable guest of the function. Yes, of course, they are you, my dear little children. I thank you from bottom of my heart. Once again, I remain thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Unity among different races, different communities belonging to different regions of India is indispensable to the birth of national life. With the same unity, people from different states have been gathered here to wish you very happy Children's Day.